Hi students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. Our today topic applications of work done by a force. Okay, in this previous video, two videos discuss application of work done by a force. So please watch these videos students and the subscribe and like and comment and share to all aspirants. Okay, our today concept applications of work done by a force. Work done by a force. Okay, first application. So let us consider a ladder of mass m, and the length of the ladder L resting on a wall is lifted with held at an angle theta against the wall. The work done by the gravitational force Wg is equal to minus mgh. The h is the height gained by center of gravity. This is the g. The total length is L. Ladder of total length is L. In this half of the length L by 2, and this is the h. Okay, Wg is equal to minus mg h. Okay, here h is equal to L by 2 into sin theta. Therefore, the work done by gravitational force minus m into g into L by 2 sin theta. This is the first application today. The next, a uniform chain of mass second application, a uniform chain of mass m and length L is vertically suspended vertically. A point of the length of the lower end of the chain is lifting up to the point of suspension in this way. The height gained by the center of gravity with respect to work done by, and this is the L by 4 with respect to with initial position G1. This is also L by 4 and G2. The work done by gravitational force Wg is equal to minus mgh, where h is the height gained by the center of gravity with respect to the initial position G1. H is equal to L by 4 plus L by 4, that is equal to L by 2. Okay, in this length, center of the gravity, therefore the work done by the gravitational force minus m by 2, half of the mass, into g into L by 2, that is equal to minus mgl by 4, minus mgl by 4, and this is the second application. Okay, next application, third application, a uniform chain of mass m and length l rest on table, this is the chain, of mass in this pulling force. So one person is a hold the chain, the pulling force acting in this direction. A uniform chain of mass m and length l rest on a table having 1 by nth part of its length hanging down from the edge of table. The work done by the pulling force to bring the hanging part of chain to the value, the work done W is equal to m by n into g into h. The h is the height gained by the center of gravity. This is the g. In this height, h is equal to L by 2 into n. L by 2 into n means L by 2 is the hanging length. This is the L by 2, and 1 by nth part of its length of the chain is hanging down. H is equal to L by 2n. Therefore, work done by W is equal to m by n g into h is the L by 2n. Then W is equal to m by mg L by 2n square. This is the third application. Next, fourth application. So let us consider a body of mass m is on smooth inclined plane of plane of inclination theta. The normal force acting in upward direction, the gravitational force acting downward direction mg. So make an angle theta. In this angle theta, plane of inclination theta is resolved into two components. First one is a horizontal component, second is the vertical component. Mg cos theta, in this mg sin theta. Okay, then the work done by the gravitational force in pulling the block down from top to bottom, the W is G is equal to m into G into L. L is the length of the inclined plane into sin theta, mgl sin theta. This is the fourth application. In this one, students, one more thing, the work done by normal force is equal to 0. The work done by the normal force is equal to 0. The next fifth application. A uniform chain of mass m and length l rest on a smooth horizontal table with 1 by n1th part of its length is hanging from the edge of the table. Work done in pulling the chain partially such that 1 by n-tooth part is hanging from the edge of table is given by that similar W is equal to mgl by 2 into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. W is equal to mgl by 2 into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. This is the fifth application. And the next work, so very important application for JEE mains and advanced level and NEET level also. Sixth application, work done in compressing a gas in a cylinder by a piston. In this piston, consider a gas at a pressure P enclosed in a piston cylinder arrangement. This is the piston cylinder arrangement. The force exerted by the gas in the cylinder on the piston of area A is then F is equal to pressure into area. Force is equal to pressure into area. The work done by the gas in producing a small displacement dy of the piston is the small displacement. This is the dy. That is the dy. Then the dW is equal to work done, dW is equal to F into dy, the force into displacement, that is equal to F is equal to PA, pressure into area into dy, that is a displacement. The area into displacement, that is equal to volume. Area into displacement, that is the height, that is the volume. dW is equal to PV, where dV is the change in volume. dW is equal to P dV. Change in volume of the gas. So total work done by the gas during the change in its volume from V1 to V2. The volume changes. Volume is V1 to V2 is W is equal to integration V1 to V2 dW is the PdV. W is equal to integration V1 V2 PdV. The W is equal to P into V2 minus V1. This is the one formula. This is a more important formula. So one graph also, student, that is during compression and expansion. During compression the V1 V2 greater than during first expansion, and W is positive during expansion. W is positive. In this graph, V2 greater than V1. V2, V1. This is the expansion. W is positive. V2 greater than V1. And this is the pressure, and this is the volume. The W work done is a positive during expansion. Work done is positive. Next, during the compression. During compression, so V2 less than V1. During compression, work done is negative. V2 less than V1. This is the V under pressure. V2 less than V1. This is the applications of work done by F force. It's a very important applications in this video. So very important applications in point of view. The focus on mainly focus on NEET and JEE mains and advanced level. Okay, please subscribe this channel and more videos. Thank you.